Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making avocado toast with scrambled egg. You will need 2 ripe avocados, 2 eggs, two tablespoons of butter, half a lemon, a pinch of dill, and a loaf of bread of your choice. The recipe I'm making is good for 3 pieces or 3 servings of avocado toast. Crack your eggs in a bowl, add a little salt and pepper, and start whisking. Cut open your avocados then add them to your bowl. Mash your avocados to your desired preference. Cut your lemon, squeeze half into your freshly mashed avocados. Heat up your pan, then add 1 tablespoon of butter, When your butter is melted, add your bread slices and toast for 3 minutes each side. Add another tablespoon of butter into a clean pan. Melt your butter, then add your scrambled eggs. Constantly stir your eggs for 3 minutes while cooking to give them a fluffy texture. Now grab a plate and add a piece of toast. Spread your mashed avocados on your toast. You can add as much or as little as you like depending on your preference. Add your scrambled eggs on top. Now sprinkle your dill. And there you have it, my avocado toast with scrambled egg. Thank you everyone.